Rice pudding, it's a dessert seen throughout the world today. We're going to make a Portuguese version of ARROZ DOCE. ARROZ DOCE means sweet rice. You'll see this recipe in Lisbon and throughout the many regions of Portugal. The Portuguese version is going to have some lemon rind in the mix to get some lemon flavor, some orange rind. It's going to have some cinnamon, a little vanilla, egg yolks for richness. Generally, the longer the grain of rice, the more starch it'll hold on to. And the shorter the grain, like a sushi rice, releases more starch. I find a medium grain is just about perfect for still holding some of the structure of the rice, but still making it nice and creamy. So let's do this. First thing I'm going to do is put in my butter. Put in my rice right away. Stir it up to coat the little grains of rice. Put in my water. My oven is already preheated, so as soon as this comes to a boil, I'll put it in the oven. And depending on which rice you're using, follow the time on your rice package, but this rice should take about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. You basically want it to absorb all the water that you're done. Ready to put the lid on and throw it in the oven. If you want to try out more Portuguese desserts, check out my playlist on YouTube, or it also can be found on the website justcookwithmichael.com. Now you want to peel the zest from some lemon and from some orange. Go ahead and try to get this in one big piece because it'll be easier to pull out when you're done with it. Measuring our sugar, measuring our milk. Our rice is done. You can see it's not burnt at all. It's not stuck to the bottom of the pan. If you don't have a rice cooker, this is the way to go. So now I'll pour in the milk. After you pour in the milk, you want to turn your flame on low. Now we'll pour in our sugar. Put in our vanilla. Put in my lemon zest and orange zest. After you put in your zest, vanilla, and sugar and milk, you want to cook it on the stovetop for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every once in a while to make sure it's not getting stuck to the bottom. And you basically want it to get like an oatmeal type of consistency. So what's going on is some of the starch is breaking off the rice, and that starch coming off the rice is going to add to creaminess and thickness. So just like all cooking, it's important to taste. This rice has been cooking for about 7 minutes now. It's definitely thickening up. So you want to taste it, see if there's enough sugar. Also to see the doneness of the rice. I like mine pretty soft. So at the end of about 15 minutes, if you do not think it's soft enough, just go ahead and add a little more milk or even a little more water and let it cook additionally if you want it to get softer and more creamy. Okay, it's been going for about 10 minutes, have 4 minutes left. You can see the thickness, it's definitely thickening up. Now I'm going to temper the egg yolks and put them in. So I'm going to put about maybe 3 tablespoons to a quarter cup of milk in with the eggs. I will beat the egg yolks. It's definitely thickening up. It's been about 12 minutes. Now I'm going to put just a few tablespoons of the hot rice in with the egg yolk milk mixture. And what that does is it tempers it so the egg yolks don't just turn into scrambled eggs. So we'll put a little bit of hot rice in there and immediately stir it up. You're basically just slowly getting your egg yolks up to temperature. Another tablespoon of hot rice mixture. You can see that even though the rice was hot, because it was tempered in, the egg yolks aren't cooked at all yet. That'll give your egg yolks a smooth, creamy consistency. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Now I'm going to pull out the rind. If you put some canela or cinnamon stick in with your rice pudding, you'd want to take that out now also. And now, before you mix in your egg yolks, you want to taste one final time to decide if you want it to cook longer. It's the correct thickness now. You can see how that's kind of like oatmeal. That's the thickness you want. So if you want it to cook longer, you want to put in a little more liquid. So the rice wasn't soft enough to my liking, so I'm going to add in a little more milk. So I added in about a quarter cup more milk, and I'm going to cook it for an additional 5 minutes. Okay, the rice is done cooking. I'm going to turn off the flame, and then you want to quickly dump in your egg yolk mixture and stir constantly until it's well incorporated. The mixture is so hot that it will bring the egg yolk temperature above 165, so you'll be sure that it's safe to eat. I use this rubber heat-resistant spatula in a lot of my cooking. I love it because they don't burn, they don't melt. You can use it for everything. If you're interested in purchasing any of the items I use in my videos, I have affiliate links to Amazon. in the description area of YouTube. This turned out fabulous. Now you can make a ARROZ DOCE. I had a little side dish of this, and with a little cinnamon sprinkled in there, it is so good. So you can make this little cross-hatch design or just sprinkle cinnamon over the top. Absolutely fabulous. Thanks for joining me. Go out and cook with somebody you love.